Actress, producer, and comedian Wendi McLendon-Covey, known as a hovering or helicopter parent in her show The Goldbergs, is helping Cascade get the word out that you no longer have to be a helicopter cleaner when it comes to doing your dishes.
We are going to end helicopter cleaning. It is an epidemic. It's reached ridiculous proportions, and there's no reason not to trust your dishwasher to do what it was designed to do. That's the reason why you don't need to pre-wash and rewash your dishes anymore.
The star was on hand in New York recently, hosting cleaning therapy sessions to show helicopter cleaners how to relax.
Is there someone that pre-washes their dishes? I saw hands up. Is there someone who re-washes their dishes? I saw hands up. That means you're washing your dishes 3 times. That's madness. Get your life back.
Wendi admitted herself she's a helicopter cleaner.
I'm someone who will clean the house before the house cleaners get there so they don't think I'm a slob. I'm not going to stop doing that, but at least I can stop doing my dishes 2 and 3 times.
Why? Because she says the new and improved Cascade Platinum, named winning product of the year for the world's largest consumer-voted award for product innovation, packs a powerful cleaning punch in every action pack, unleashing 3 different agents to dissolve food, lift it off, and rinse it away. So you can trust your dishwasher and step away from it. Check out #helicoptercleaner and follow Cascade on Facebook and Twitter. So now that she has more time away from the dishes, what else is Wendi up to?
Right now I'm in Atlanta shooting Goosebumps 2, which will come out in October. It's coming out very soon. And also What Men Want, which will come out January of 2019.